Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone supports live text and WhatsApp is updated. This is why you check iOS 15 Plus and the App Store first. Once done, open Settings and confirm camera and photos permissions for WhatsApp so the app can access text and images. Make sure Face ID or passcode is set if your device restricts access. These prerequisites let live text work inside WhatsApp without permission errors or blocked features. You now turn on live text at the system level so WhatsApp can use it. First, check language and region settings. Some regions limit live text, so make sure yours is supported. Next, open Settings, tap Camera, and toggle live text on. This activates OCR across apps. After that, force quit WhatsApp and restart it. This step refreshes the app, so it recognizes the newly enabled system feature and can detect selectable text in images. You finish by actually using live text inside WhatsApp. Open a chat, tap a received photo, or use the in-app camera and point at text. When recognized, tap the live text icon or press and hold the highlighted words to copy, translate, look up, or share. That's how you extract text quickly. If things go wrong, first recheck camera/photos permissions and app updates. If still failing, update iOS and reboot the iPhone. That usually resolves lingering recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.